welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you have landed here for the very first time. Hope you subscribe to my channel, clicked on notification bell so don't miss out any further updates. You can also follow me on my Instagram जिसका link होगा description box में. Namaste, this is Dvija और कैसे हैं आप? The sunshine in human form और हम देख रहे हैं. Yes, Tanmay is back with the meme reactions with Riya Chakraborty. Okay, I don't know ये किस तरह का combination हम देखने वाले हैं. I've actually never really seen Riya. Yeah, I've not. मुझे लगा I think एक movie में देखा maybe चेहरे was the movie where she was I've seen, which was not a bad movie actually. Regardless, let's go. Let's bring it हर बार की तरह. उम्मीद है ouch वीडियो अच्छा आएगा रहेगा और मजा आएगा. And enjoy थोड़ा background में जो construction चल रहा है. नॉइज कैंसलेशन करेंगे हम, बट वो जाएगा कि नहीं उसका मैं कुछ नहीं कह सकती अभी. लेट्स गो बैक टू द मीम्स एंड प्लेइंग.
Yo, welcome to a very special episode. The OG gang is here with us. We got writer OP, prisoner OP, banker OP, kidnapper OP in the house. And joining us today, guys, is a very, very special guest. She is my third favorite VJ, my fifth favorite podcaster, my 10th favorite entrepreneur, but my first favorite criminal. Give it up for Riya Chakraborty.
Wait, what?
Also my fifth favorite comedian after Zakir, Upamanyu, Basi and Samay.
Yo, Kullu and I sitting right
मैं
here.
वही बोल रहा हूँ, हम लोग यहीं
Thanks.
सामने.
You all are 6th and 7th guys.
Thanks for nothing. Ninth favorite Riya.
I'm really happy to be here and I was really nervous first, but then I realized that I've kind of survived primetime news and these are just like a bunch of stand-up comics. So
Hey, man. Riya and I
They
have
also have
for a
been to
while.
news.
Once I was like, Riya, you should start vlogging. And Riya was like, I already vlog. My whole life was displayed on news channels anyway, so it was technically vlogging only.
guys, but I just want to say it's really nice to be on this side of a YouTube reacts.
Oh, okay,
Congrats
wait,
on chapter
okay.
2. I'm wearing chapter 2 today. Can I give some feedback?
Yeah.
Okay, I personally loved the clothes in chapter 1, the white shirt with black straps on it. That I really like that one.
वो दूसरा जेल है तन्मय, तो रिसर्च नहीं करके आया है. एक अंडर ट्रायल जेल होता है, उसमें नॉर्मल कपड़े पहनने होते हैं. दूसरा जेल होता है, वो कन्विक्टेड लोग वाले पहनते हैं.
तो अंडर ट्रायल में नॉर्मल कपड़े मतलब फिर तो फिट चेक वगैरह भी चलता है वहाँ पे.
वहाँ पुलिस नहीं, वहाँ फैशन पुलिस है.
Listen, I'm just saying, you right now have chapter 2. If you all decide to go into lingerie, Under Trial is a great name.
Joshi,
Yeah.
I sent you a chapter 2 t-shirt, no?
Yes.
You should wear it. It really makes a statement.
What is the statement?
The statement is Mala Zaudana Sahib.
Wait, I don't know. I think is it
I've heard
for
in the
that
chapter
one
2
thing
store,
that she
there's
was.
no trial room. There's only a media trial room. Is that true?
Yeah.
भाई इनके एक भी
Famous,
डिजाइन का नाम
infamous?
ब्लैक मैजिक नहीं है भाई.
You know everyone on the panel. Riya, you've seen the show?
Yes.
I'll do a basic introduction कि किस पे क्या टाइप के जोक बन सकते हैं. Piyush is resident IITian. Rohan is sexy Shashi Tharoor. And also fun fact, Rohan used to work for Arnab Goswami, and yeah, he quit his job because he used to work for Arnab Goswami. Kushagra is a very funny comedian, and you can say that he's Kushagra Ganja hai. Kullu, you guys already know, no? Kullu, to you already know.
Yeah, but what's the joke on Kullu?
Just in general, chutiya.
Yes.
You did Traitors. You also did Roadies. Before both of these, you had done Lockup before also. So
Please मुझे थोड़ा reference का. I think maybe it's the one I'm thinking, but I don't know. अरे गिरना बस. Oh.
एक fully unrelated to the meme, but what do people do for time pass in jail?
They sing, they dance, they make thecha.
The third part of the musical process, sing, dance, make theatre.
I would
Yeah,
love
you
to
met
try.
a lot of like supporters and friends in the jail, no?
I feel like people inside jail are better than people
I
outside.
meant thecha.
Because most people, at least in the under trial prisons for women, are innocent. And there's no hierarchy, right? Everyone's equal. Everyone's a number. There's no name.
Do you remember your number?
Yes.
My favorite.
No.
Here's a fun fact. 3 out of every 4 people in Indian prison are under trials who have not been convicted of anything.
Ron, you and I need to be friends. These are the kind of facts that I want to know in my life.
100%. I will happly share this fact.
Everybody should want to know these kind of facts in
Yes.
यहाँ पे देखा जाए तो 3 out of 6 people have.
ये पूरा एपिसोड इस पे this AI? It has to be AI, right?
Fully unrelated, but how's the food in jail? sorry.
Guys, I'm writing this book. पढ़ लेना.
Oh, really?
Oh.
चैप्टर 2 का प्रमोशन, ट्रेटर्स 2 का प्रमोशन और किताब का भी प्रमोशन.
What is book called? Chapter 3.
No, the book is called चुड़ैल का बदला.
It's a comic book.
It's a comic book, yes.
सुशी मिलती है जेल में, शैंपेन मिलता है, वड़ा पाव, चाट.
वहाँ आईफोन भी मिलता है लेकिन जेल ब्रेक करना पड़ता है.
अच्छा नहीं था ये वाला.
खराब
No,
था.
I didn't get
Piyush,
it.
don't fuck with a hardened criminal, okay?
When Kullu is my opening act.
बागी वाइब.
Kylie Jenner put up a picture called Thankful and Travis Scott was like, gang.
Hanging with the crew.
I think that's what he
मेरे पंडित
means.
स्टूडियो में रहते हैं दिन रात.
Fam.
Hey, Ria, you were called gang leader, no, in Roadies? Why is that?
Because there are gangs in roadies that you have to lead.
अभी तो आपको पुलिस पकड़ के ले जाती है सब गैंग करती है ना.
Hey guys, it's one of the better titles I've got.
True, fair. Roadies was the big comeback, no, Ria?
Roadies was the first thing I did after all the 2020 drama happened.
Ria comeback is only Traitors season 2.
No,
Please.
no,
Please,
no.
Yeah. No, I think overall, Ria, it's a great idea that you went on this show where you wear a duplicitous mask and carry a knife in your hand. I think it's gonna do wonders for your image.
Like other
Traitors.
people are all like dying to be the traitor, and I'm just like, मुझे मत बनाना. कुछ भी होता है, please, मुझे मत बनाना.
Just now, Supreme Court was like, this girl's cool, bro. And then she's like, yes, I am
She's
cool.
like, yes.
Chucky.
Gang.
Yeah. Toddlers.
You want kids or what, Rohan?
Who's?
Well, very that's only the Daleen Mehndi question.
I've been through everything anyway.
You met me at a very Daler time in my life.
Kullu, you want kids?
Yeah.
What a weird way to answer that question.
Yeah.
You could have just said yes.
yes, but he was like, just
Yeah.
Kushagra, you also want kids?
No.
भाई कुशाग्र भाई पेरेंट टीचर मीट में भी स्मोकिंग जोन में रहेगा भाई.
इसीलिए बाल नहीं है.
सर आपके लड़के का साइंस में डी आया है वो ठीक है. स्मोकिंग जोन कहाँ है?
Teacher will be complaining to the child about Kushagra.
कह रहे मेरे कंपॉक्स बॉक्स को एस्ट्रे बना दिए पापा ने.
Kushagra suddenly is like, guys, मैं गंजा हूँ, याद है क्या मैं?
यार ये तार पे बैठी चिड़िया को करंट क्यों नहीं लगता है?
उनके पैरों में खून नहीं होता है।
ना पागल है क्या? ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता, उनके पैरों में खून होता है भाई, ये सब मिथ है। उनको करंट इसलिए नहीं लगता क्योंकि वो दोनों पैर को एक ही तार पे रखती है, तो सर्किट कंप्लीट नहीं हो पाता।
तुझे कैसे इतनी सारी चीजें पता रहती?
अरे भाई बुक्स पढ़ता हूँ, डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज देखता हूँ, रिसर्च पेपर्स वगैरह आते हैं, ये सारी
हर शूट के बाद पीयूष हैंग्स अप, he's like, आज भी नहीं पकड़ा मुझे, थैंक गॉड।
नीचे देख लो अपने। Isn't, does it work?
Ria preventing Navika from reading her chats, bro. Dude, remember there was that crazy shit, man. Rohan, you remember like Ria saying, "I'm a bounce," and everyone was like, "Some
"Does that
check is
mean
bouncing."
Bounce check.
This is the bounce check.
Dumbest thing ever. I will never forget that. After that, I'm like, I never want to be misunderstood. I've never said I'm a head ever again after that.
Yeah.
नो कैप, रिया ने टोपी पहनने से इनकार किया.
Now if someone even texts me saying I'm on the pot, I'm like, please specify.
Yeah.
ये भी नहीं बता रहे कि बंगालियों को बोंग बुलाते हैं. और सीबीडी विलापुर तो बिल्कुल नहीं जाना है.
ये बहुत सारे रेफरेंस
Good
आ रहे
guys,
हैं जो
good
मुझे
guys.
नहीं
You
समझ आ
find my
रहे.
trauma very entertaining. I'm glad someone's laughing.
Like I'm just mad now. Ria Singh has only been drinking Pepsi.
I did not follow through her
Adam going for a
or whatever she was
swim.
going
Be
through
careful,
at that
Adam.
time.
Riya, when she got her
the
passport
second
back,
they
bro.
opened, yeah. Nirav Modi in 2021.
How did it feel, Riya, when you got passport back? You went for a trip?
I went on a holiday. My parents went on a holiday. It felt strange, you know, to not be stopped at immigration, to not be stopped at the airport. They're like, okay, ma'am, you can go. I was like, what do you mean? What do you mean?
Kullu was first celebrity you met?
Like properly I met when I came to Bombay to interview. That was Sanjay Datta, I think.
The way you were behaving on Traitors, I thought Mallika Sherawat was the first celebrity you ever met.
अच्छा कुल्लू को ट्रेलर्स में थे.
You
I have
only
no
meet
idea.
like
I don't watch.
Vijay
I haven't
or
watched it.
Dhoni.
How was it? How was it meeting Sanjay Dutt?
So I went to do an interview of him just newly in Bombay और उनके घर में था वो इंटरव्यू और मेरी इतनी फट रही थी because संजय दत्त है सामने से इज अ इंटिमिडेटिंग गाय like लंबा चौड़ा आदमी हाथ बड़े बड़े.
Yeah, looking at his
then he
past
calmed me
proof,
down
so-
कि अरे कोई बात नहीं.
It's intimidating, of course.
हाथ चौड़े चौड़े.
Scary. Intimidating से scary ज़्यादा.
And भाई बाप रे बाप.
What a great sentence with no further context.
संजय दत्त के हाथ बड़े हैं कि कानून के? Kushagra, first celebrity you met?
First celebrity I met.
मुकेश अराने.
Mukesh Arane. Kushagra is like, actually मेरा नाम मुकेश है. Riya?
Salman Khan. I was a VJ on MTV and everyone allowed me to do the interview with him and I didn't know why they're being so nice because everyone was scared. So like, yeah, give it to Riya, give it to Riya.
This is during these days, no?
Hello, I'm Bani J.
I'm Vijay Riya and we are here from MTV in Hyderabad. From Bombay, we've come all the way and we are here live.
That's right, like right now. So basically, we are here to promote some super cool bags. As you can see, very hip, very trendy, and very youthy. Look at the colors.
Which just come to us naturally on the S.
Hey dude, there was a time
I like
where,
this time though.
VJ meant कि तुम बात कर सकते हो तो तुम VJ बन
Yes,
सकते हो.
yes.
No, and there was a time when only good-looking people were allowed to speak. So you guys, you're welcome.
She looks very different. Of course, like
जितने
पता है
पैसे
time हो
उस
गया.
वक्त VJ बनने के लिए मिलते थे ना भाई.
Riya, how much you got paid then?
I think 3 lakhs was my last salary, but I was also just 17,
Those time.
18 years old, so I really thought I was damn rich.
What you spend that money on?
Fixing my face, as you can see.
Yeah, that's what I meant when I said that. But okay, thank you.
Riya, should I get my face fixed? Do you think I have anything to fix in my face?
Everyone should get their face fixed, guys. Technology is next level now. There's everything.
कुशाग्र ये हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट तो बहुत सालों से है भाई. वो मतलब ये तो कोई
Go
सीक्रेट
to
नहीं.
Turkey.
और उसमें लोगों के ब्रेन हैमरेज हो जाता है और फिर वो चाइनीज बोलने लगते हैं उठ के.
तो डुओलिंगो से क्यों करा रहा है तो?
क्या था?
Why does he look like an alien?
Yeah,
This
very
video
nice.
Real.
Not everyone can afford facelift. Yeah.
This is what someone will look like if they do too many Korean treatments.
Yeah, this is if you go to North Korea for surgery.
You come out as Jitendra.
Okay. So,
एक बार आंटी ने दुपट्टा पीछे कर लिया ना फिर
Yeah,
फिर कोई
अभी
प्रॉब्लम
देखो।
नहीं बचती है.
No freaking
she's
way. You
photo,
better be
photo,
careful.
photo.
I can't even do that.
Thank you, Rosh.
Oila.
This is cruel.
At my heaviest, if I had to go uphill in rickshaw, halfway through, he would make me get off, go as I have to walk uphill, then sit back in the rickshaw.
तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा में एक पूरा आर्क है एपिसोड का जो 3 हफ्ते चला था जिसमें हंसराज हाथी गेट स्टक इन एन ऑटो रिक्शा एंड ही कांट गेट आउट. होल सोसाइटी पुल्स हिम आउट.
Yeah,
उनको
वो
कास्ट
बंदा
चेंज करनी थी
मेहनत
द
करके
गाय
चढ़ा रहा है.
यार
So
उनको चेंज करना
I know
था.
it's
तो
his
हम एकदम
job,
से
but-
कास्ट करेंगे तो उन्होंने कहा कि हाथी भाई अंदर फंसे हुए हैं पूरे 2 हफ्ते तक. एवरीबॉडी वाज ट्राइंग टू पुल हिम आउट एंड व्हेन दे पुल हिम आउट देयर इज अ न्यू गाय.
fuck, I just randomly remembered the shit I had to go through in rickshaws. Dude, they used to ask me very subtly. You know Lions Park in Juhu, right? The Juhu Garden. Juhu Garden वाला left ना, तो उस time पे उतना traffic नहीं होता था, तो वो left काफी speed में लेते थे वो लोग. After that speed, they would always be like, sir आप थोड़ा बीच में बैठ सकते हैं क्या?
Sorry for laughing at this, but
नया बेलीज खरीदा था मैंने स्विट्जरलैंड से, मिंट चॉकलेट. इसकी हालत देखो, साले बंदर अंदर आए और हमारा बार काउंटर खोल के इसको गिराया, पिया. मेरा बेलीज पी के साले आउट हो गए. हालत देखो लोगों की, लोग की. वो देखो हिल रहा है बैठे बैठे.
हमारा दोस्त घर पे नहीं था, हमने उसके पापा को उठा लिया.
this is peak friendship though.
Dude.
Suram Wangchuk with Dipke and gang.
Well, I know that they weren't picking up Kullu, so.
कुल्लू क्या पता दोस्त ही उठा के ले गए हो.
But Kullu does look like someone who still takes permission before leaving the house.
Permission of whom?
Mom or dad.
I have awkward information for you.
She doesn't know, I guess. Yeah.
Kullu doesn't have a dad, that's the whole joke.
At least
Yeah, welcome to
Spire
Riyadh.
is में तो you know, it's okay.
Right, it's time for single-handed stun pulls.
Fun pulls is crazy. I
He
don't know, you could
कैसे?
have just said car phrases. Like,
Wait,
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
जैकेट लेके जाओ, वेदर चेंज हो जाएगा इसका.
ये बार्गेनिंग करने के बाद के लिए है कि इस पे लिफ्ट में देख लो, फिर मैं जा रही हूँ, देखो लास्ट प्राइस है, देख लो बस.
ये लिफ्ट से सोचो बुर्ज खलीफा जाना है.
Dude,
Uncle was ready to make a run.
they covered that worse than how they were trying to cover the Bihar election.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it's political.
Oh yeah, it's political.
Political joke.
I'm not even here.
So I have to say that to you too.
Right. पैसों के हर नाम पता है मुझे. Because I'm a gold digger.
I'm a sugar daddy.
Oh, pleasure to meet you.
Chapter volume
Context है
1.
क्या इसका कुछ?
Chapter volume 1. But yeah, it feels like the whole industry, when you were being forced through this trauma. I remember when AIB controversy happened for 1 year, everyone would talk to us like, how are things? Is everything okay?
With me, like if people were like laughing and joking in a group, and if I came in there, then suddenly they would like change the tone. They'd be like, ha ha ha. Oh hi Ria, how are you?
Oh, that's basic
Like the first time I
empathy.
met you, we met and within the first
Nahi?
10 minutes, Joshi, I made the first joke about the controversy. You know, she just did yes and she also went for it. And like, but people around us suddenly got like, how can you?
Like Ria, how could you say that? Don't you know what you've been through?
ये बात सही है. अगर वो joke कर सकते हैं,
It's true though, like if I would make these jokes like we're doing today, like 4 years ago, the room would suddenly just get very heavy. Be like, they didn't know whether they should laugh or they should not laugh.
Agreed.
Like I didn't know about Kullu's dad.
Even I don't know about him.
भाई
ज्यादा जोक मारते सकते ना, बहुत गहरा सदमा लगा लगता है.
coping mechanism.
She's gone crazy only. She thinks she's never had this problem only. The chaco of the eyes, they never lie.
This is
सबका
what
फल
toxic
मीठी
means.
होता है.
तुमसे बेटा ना हो पाएगा.
बहुत बढ़िया.
नहीं पिया है.
अपने पास खड़ा हूँ, कैसे जाऊँ? लेकिन मैम एक फोटो खींचनी थी, प्लीज फोटो खींचने दो.
But yeah, what do people say? Like for example, all of us have specific thing that people say when they come up to us and meet us, right? Like if they come to me, they're like, "Oh, I see your videos." Okay, they come up to Kushagra, they're like, "Chutta nahi hai." Like what do people say to you when they meet you?
Even guys hit on me by saying you're really strong, and I'm just like, just say my hair is nice or something. And
Why? The first one is so
You just
good.
call me pretty. Like, what are you doing? Like,
Hey, you're really pretty strong, I see.
पुलिस वालों ने आपके बाल खींचे फिर भी कुछ नहीं हुआ. I like them.
Okay, I mean, जिनको जो अच्छा लगे, but okay.
Kullu doesn't know how to drive, no?
Why?
I'm asking.
I know how to drive, भाई.
कब सीखा तू?
क्यों नहीं इसे फादर जोक है तो पहले बता दो मुझे.
मैं फादर जोक नहीं है यार.
मैं भी drive.
Tanmay, you drive?
I drive. I used to steal my dad's car.
अच्छा इसीलिए.
अरे भाई ने ये एंगल मैं तो जनरली पूछ रहा था तेरे को आता है कि नहीं. ये अभी तैनात है कि
नहीं,
कहीं से भी
नहीं,
अचानक पापा हो सकते मेरे साथ. ये क्या है?
अचानक पापा.
अचानक पापा. आईपीएल का नाम हो सकता है अचानक पापा.
Yeah, for men. That's a nice thing.
Explain this, Piyush. What is this? What the fuck?
क्या हो रहा है?
दो टाइप के ट्रांसफार्मर होते हैं, एक स्टेप अप होता है, एक स्टेप डाउन होता है.
अरे उसमें वो बेसिक वो वाला लॉ लगा रहा है यार. कौन सा लॉ है कि सबसे इजी जगह से जाता करंट.
बेसिकली जितने रिंग्स होते हैं उतना वोल्टेज तुम बढ़ा सकते, करंट कम कर देते हो. करंट कम कर देते हो तो फिर लॉस कम होता है.
कुशाग्रा, I think you're right. ना गवार समझ से कुछ भी बोल देता है.
नहीं यार सही बोल रहा है.
कुछ भी बता देता है.
Comments check करो.
ये सिर्फ 4 बड़े वर्ड्स थ्रो करता है और कुछ भी बोल देता है.
मानों से बातें करती सबस चारे की कीमतों से
एक माँ ही बनाती है बेटी को जड़ से स्ट्रॉन्ग. क्लिनिक प्लस का मिल्क प्रोटीन और मल्टीविटामिन फॉर्मूला बालों.
एक माँ ही बनाती है बेटी को जड़ से स्ट्रॉन्ग.
These are the kind of ads that Tanmay makes.
This guy's drip is going hard though, man.
He's really well dressed for this report.
Really like Shang-Chi.
What is Shang-Chi?
मराठी मूवी है.
That's Sangli, the sequel.
कुशाग्र, by the way, तू बहुत ज्यादा किल कर रहा है. इतना किल मत कर.
You don't say anything only. Then what time you?
Another fact after me not having a dad really nice.
राहुल आपका बेस्ट फ्रेंड कौन है? तानिया. वेरी गुड. कहाँ है तानिया? तानिया आपका बेस्ट फ्रेंड कौन है? वेरी गुड राहुल. चलो भरत आपकी बेस्ट फ्रेंड कौन है? तनु. तनु आपका बेस्ट फ्रेंड कौन है? वेरी गुड. चलो आपकी बेस्ट फ्रेंड कौन है? नताशा. नताशा आपका बेस्ट फ्रेंड कौन है? नहीं है. विशाल नहीं है आपका फ्रेंड?
First heartbreak.
विशाल यार too strong यार.
Pretty strong.
Riya, who was your first boyfriend in school?
Why should I tell you?
Okay, good chat.
Boring. These
When you should have
episodes have gotten very boring.
है ना, when ज्यादा interesting है. तू तो कैसे पता चलेगा हमें?
You are drunk? Yes, I'm driving my own car. You are driving? Yes. Why? You are drunk? I'm not drunk. I'm driving my car. I don't drink alcohol. Then you drunk? You drunk? You please drink to hospital. I can go to any hospital. You are in station. Can you drink or normal?
I am normal.
Your name? What is your good name? Excuse me. Your good name? Martin. Huh? My name is Martin. Which position? Commercial officer with the German consulate. You drink? No, I don't drink. I don't drink anyway. Nani, you come to hospital. Yeah, I can go to the hospital. I have no problem. You go? Yes, of course. Anytime.
Everyone is drunk except for him.
Everyone is drunk except for Martin.
Good comment.
What? Those extra 4 teams in the ICC World Cup. Wait, Italy is playing the World Cup?
Yeah, Italy played, no?
तो उसमें कुछ प्लेयर्स के नाम ऐसे माकियानो और ये ब्रोजो और कुछ फिर वही शुक्ला शर्मा.
Correct. Yeah, that's it.
I like
the
I like
3XL
this
is a
meme.
good fit, huh? Can you send me one black also?
Whatever I have in 3XL, I'm sending you all.
Talk clearance.
If you were a genie in a bottle, who would you like to serve as your master? If you were a genie in a bottle, who would you like to serve as your master?
Good evening, everyone.
if I was a genie in a bottle, I would like to serve my mother as my master. Because all I can say about this question is, whatever who you are, where you're from, your skin color, your gender identity, just speak yourself. Find your voice, find your name by speaking yourself. Thank you.
She was ready.
She was ready for all questions.
Yeah, she gave one unanimous answer.
She's like, you got one shot, one opportunity.
Guys, you're all lagging a bit for me, huh?
No, Kushagra is just not saying anything.
Hey, but Kushagra, you've really not said anything.
Why like that, Kushagra?
I'm just being strong right now.
I don't talk to girls.
No, but Kushagra is always
I don't
usually
talk to
quiet.
strong girls. Weak women only.
Diya, you're having fun so far, no?
Yeah.
Come, let's watch some Arnab memes then.
Yeah, I'm sorry,
Arnab
bad.
invites this guy.
Okay, me too.
Dude,
what is Mahip Singh doing?
पापा कैसे हैं?
They say when you give a toddler an egg, they know to be gentle with it.
Oh,
oh shit.
I eat fruits. I like fruits.
You also have Diet Coke addiction?
No.
I too have, bro. I'm going through like 4 cans a day.
4 cans a day is hardcore.
You should switch to alcohol.
I do have coffee addiction though, yes.
Wow. पीयूष भाई आप करो एक्सप्लेन थर्मोडायनेमिक.
पीयूष इज लाइक साले मैं IIT गया मैं प्लम्बर नहीं.
It's funny.
Oh my god.
Okay.
The prestige.
The prestige.
ये एक मिनट तक I was so scared.
Oh, let's go.
मार डालो ना एक आदि को. क्या ट्रे? इमोशनल मत हो जाओ रे. प्रैक्टिकल सोचो उधर है ना पब्लिक क्या ट्रे.
एंड भाई मेरी मम्मी टीचर को बोल रही है मैडम आप तो मारो हम तो थक गए. मैं कहा मम्मी आप
मेरे घर वाले बोलते हैं इसको मारो और ठीक कर दो. जैसे कोई रिमोट है.
ठीक कर दो.
Yeah, only in studies.
और को आई में स्टूडेंट होता है.
और स्टूडेंट किस चीज होता है?
बाकी चीजें भी होती है ना स्कूल में.
What wild stuff did you
Not
do?
that naughty.
I was in like these army schools, and basically in army camps, most of the teachers are army officers' wives only. So they all know your mom and they all know each other. तो आपस में ये लोग gossip करते हैं. And I like now, even then I used to get linked to everyone. I think I have a face that just links me to people. Like मेरी शक्ल पे लगता है कि ये सबको डेट कर रही है.
Kullu also, by the way, same face.
इसको co-integrate कर रहा है.
मैं तो साहिबा को ही जानती हूँ. कौन है दूसरी? I got it late.
गरारा से आला मिलेगा. I didn't get it. Garara is what, like a clothing item?
उसने शरारा पहना हुआ है.
गरारा गार्गल्स को गरारे बोलते हैं यार.
Oh, अच्छा उसने शरारा पहन लिया है. तुझे बड़ा पता है कुल्लू.
खूब गरारे खोले मैंने.
खूब गरारे खोले हैं तूने. What does that even mean? इसका क्या मतलब है?
गरारे खोले मैंने.
Explain, no, Kullu, now you explain.
No, I'm not hearing इसको.
मेरी थ्रोट अक्सर खराब रहती है. You know what I mean, girl?
मेरे तो हर जेब में कंटील है.
कंटील.
I really am scared of them. लेकिन ये बहुत funny है. I can watch this.
आज किसी हिरन का गरारा खोलूं.
I'd seen something like this. I like these stupid
What's
memes. I'm
coming up,
fine.
Riya?
I'm
जल्दी
very
बता दो इस
happy.
वक्त.
What's coming up is that I had a great time with you guys. Thank you very much.
No, but there's a Delhi store coming up. Is there a chapter to Delhi store?
Delhi
she has a
store
clothing
launched
brand.
already. We are opening a few more
Sorry.
stores this year. आज तक कभी business किया नहीं था तो सब सीखना पड़ रहा है.
Sales is very difficult, यार. Like कपड़े हो या tickets, right, Kullu?
You're a harami. Okay. I was saying very nicely, thank you. Fuck off, all of you.
Rohan, Kullu, Kushagra, Piyush, all doing shows. Links are in description. Check out chapter 2. Riya Chakravarti, thank you so much for coming.
रिया ने बोला नहीं है लेकिन टेटस सीजन 2 13 अगस्त आप लोगों के नजदीक
Whoa,
स्क्रीन
let's go, Kulu.
North America tour tickets are live, bros. I'm doing America and Canada in November, so please come through.
और इतना दूर नहीं जा रहे तो बैंगलोर आ जाओ 8-9 को.
See you guys
Thanks
next
for
time.
having me, guys. Had a great time.
Bye, Riya. Bye, bye, bye.
Oh, what? Nice. Nice. This is nice. मजा आया, बहुत मजा आया. Only few things just because of YouTube, the way it is. Especially हमारे यहाँ का channel, you know that. Special है हम थोड़े, yeah. ज़्यादा हम पे नज़र रखी जाती है तो. But I enjoyed it. Yeah, I genuinely have no idea much about Riya. Yes, I think it was a Sushant case which I know her from. और I don't know, जैसा मैं स्टार्ट बोला कि उसी की वजह से अगर उनके जो भी रेफरेंसेस है वही है कि कुछ और उनके साथ बाद में हुआ उसके वजह से, बिकॉज आई रियली डोंट एम ये क्या था, आई एम नॉट इन लूप कि उनके साथ क्या हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ. सो आई ऑल्सो डिडंट हैव एनी आइडिया कि कितना इनसेंसिटिव हो सकता है, मैं हंसूँ ना हंसूँ, ये क्या हो रहा है, किसके ऊपर जोक हो रही है. सो आई वाज केयरफुल ऑन दैट. इट मेक्स सेंस कि अगर वो खुद हंस सकते हैं तो येस पीपल कैन प्रॉब्ली जोक अबाउट इट, बट ऑल्सो डिपेंड्स कि तुम्हें वो ठीक लगता है कि नहीं लगता है. मुझे पर्सनली नहीं लगता है. आई एम ओके विद सर्टन टाइप्स ऑफ डार्क ह्यूमर एंड डैंक मीम्स एंड स्टफ. आई एम, बट आई एम नॉट विद सर्टन थिंग्स. और वो मेरा खुद का पर्सनल ओपिनियन है तो ठीक है, अगर उनको ओके है और वो करना चाहते हैं वो चीज़ उनकी खुद के ऊपर या कोई और उन पे करे तो ओके, मैं कौन होती हूँ बोलने वाली. बट आई डोंट लाइक लाफिंग एट सर्टन थिंग्स, तो वो मैं नहीं करूँगी. Because that's my personal opinion and my personal values and morals. तो उससे मैं नहीं आगे बढ़ती हूँ. तो I really did not react to it. Obviously, on top of that मुझे नहीं पता था कि कौन सा exact reference भी है. So I did get it in a way, but I didn't know if it's the same thing what I am thinking. अभी भी नहीं पता है मुझे. But I think it's that time. So I don't find it funny. और मेरे हिसाब से a type of meme or humor that I would want to laugh at. ठीक है, किसी को फनी लगता है आप हंस सकते हो, उनको भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तो इट्स ओके. मेरे लिए आई वुड रादर नॉट. मुझे हंसी आती ही नहीं है ऐसी चीज़ों पे. आई थिंक आई वुड मे बी आई एम अ लिटिल बिट मोर एम्पैथेटिक. ज़्यादा होने से ज़्यादा मे बी आई एम अ लिटिल बिट मोर एम्पैथेटिक देन आई शुड बी. तो मेरी हाँ दैट्स प्रॉब्ली इट. सो आई डोंट नो सर्टन रेफरेंसेस बीच में तो डेफिनेटली पूरा ऊपर से गया, which they were making multiple references back to back. So yeah, help me out a little bit. अगर आप बोल सकते हो, बोलने लायक चीज़ है तो आप बता सकते हो, वरना हम जाने देंगे इसको. बिकॉज इसके अलावा बहुत ही बढ़िया एपिसोड था. आई रियली एंजॉयड इट. देयर वाज सम रियली लाइक यू नो क्या ही है मीम्स में. Yeah, like it was not very intellectual or anything as such, but they were still very funny and yeah, I mean it was just funny and I enjoyed it. It was light और मज़ा आया. इसके पहले आई वॉज हैविंग अ लिटिल बिट, बिकॉज ना ग्लूमी वेदर है ना कि तुम्हारा दिमाग थोड़ा ना फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाता है घर में रह के. सन नहीं दिखता है तो थोड़ा बहुत तुम्हें ऐसे डिप्रेसिंग फील होता है. हो नहीं तुम तो फील होता है. सो आई वॉज लाइक दैट इन दैट काइंड ऑफ स्टेट पहले, और ये देखने के बाद राइट नाउ आई एम जस्ट लाइक सनशाइन इन ह्यूमन फॉर्म एक्चुअली. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद दिस लाइट हार्टेड फन memes that came in most of them. I enjoyed it. Yeah. And though think I didn't get it, if you can help me out. Also, I want to say कि yes, I felt कि yeah, it looks very different because जब मैंने उनको देखा जितना मुझे याद है, she looked very different. Well, she was beautiful back then. I don't know what made her think कि उनको करवाने की ज़रूरत है कुछ भी उनके चेहरे पे या फिर whatever she has done. I don't know. But it's her choice anyway. I still feel like you are amazing the way you are. Yeah, you can definitely build a good body, और या फिर तुम अच्छा स्टाइल कर सकते हो, अपने बाल अच्छे करा सकते हो, स्किन की केयर कर सकते हो, अपने खुद के दिमाग की केयर कर सकते हो, प्लीज़ करो. बट आई डोंट थिंक इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट. एंड genuinely need it for you to go and get like nose and like anything else done. You can love yourself that way. मेरा खुद का ओपिनियन है ये, ठीक है. वी ऑल आर यूनिक, तो फिर सब एक जैसे होठ लेके घूमेंगे, फिर एक जैसे नाक लेके घूमेंगे, तो फिर देयर इज नथिंग यूनिक अबाउट अस, राइट? इट्स जस्ट देयर. आज मुझे ये पिंपल है, इट्स ओके. इट्स लुक्स लाइक अ, डजंट लुक लाइक अ पिंपल, इट लुक्स लाइक ऐसा वो रेखा जी का मोल. इट्स ओके. लाइक यू कैन एक्सेप्ट सर्टेन थिंग्स जिसमें तुम्हारा कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है. कंट्रोल है और कर सकते हो कुछ चीज, डू इट. इसमें भी कंट्रोल है तुम्हारा, आई मीन. I'm just saying, I prefer people to love themselves the way they are in these kind of matters, invasive surgical matters. बाकी तुम्हारी मर्जी है, तुम्हें करवाना है, तुम्हारे पास पैसे है, तुम्हारे पास एक्सेस है, करवाओ जो करवाने कर रहा है. किसी और को हर्ट नहीं होना चाहिए. तुम्हें हो तो तुम वो सहन कर सकते हो, डू इट. Anyway, I really think she looked beautiful before. Beautiful. Not bad right now, but beautiful before. Bye. Love you.